In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot. This process will allow you to customize HubSpot to better meet your unique business needs, creating objects that go beyond the standard contacts, companies, and deals. Tailoring your system like this is a powerful way to ensure you have the data you need at your fingertips. So let's dive in. To begin, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Start by navigating to the trial guide. This is where you'll be taken to a page that provides access to different features you might be testing out or considering integrating into your workflow. The trial guide is like your roadmap. It hints at possibilities and allows you to explore what HubSpot can really do for you. Next, you'll want to click on the settings icon. This is a vital step because it opens up the back-end controls of your HubSpot account. It's like getting behind the dashboard of a car, giving you the power to fine-tune the system just the way you like. When you're in the settings, you can customize a variety of features, but for today, we're focusing on creating those custom objects. From the settings menu, proceed to click on Objects. This section of HubSpot houses everything you need related to the various types of records stored within the system. It's where you'll find options for contacts, companies, and more. And it's also where we start molding the system further to fit our unique business structure. So, in the Objects section, you'll now click on Custom Objects. Here's where HubSpot really begins to shine in terms of flexibility and customizability. Custom objects allow you to structure additional data outside the standard mold, helping your organization track and manage information that's specific to you. Whether it's additional elements for your projects, specialized categories, or something else entirely that mirrors what makes your business unique, custom objects help get that organized. And now, here's the moment we've been building up to. Clicking on Create Custom Object. It's your blank canvas where you can define what this object is, how it acts, and how it interacts with the rest of your HubSpot data. You'll be prompted to input a name, define properties, and set up any special attributes you envision. This flexibility empowers you to design something entirely tailored to how your business operates. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to adapting HubSpot in ways that align perfectly with your business strategies. Remember, every custom object becomes a critical piece in your organizational strategy, enhancing how you capture and relate to the data that matters most. Happy customizing. Happy.